Hey, it's the Together Project again. This time I want to introduce you to Jo Moss from Moss HR. She has given us her top 5 tips to a great CV. So if you want to sell yourself on paper, then listen up. Top tip number 1, keep it relevant. Tailor your CV to the job you're applying for and highlight relevant experience. Top tip number 2, make it easy to read. Start from your most recent post and work backwards through your jobs. Make it concise and bullet point relevant tasks and skills. Top tip number 3, highlight your achievements. Make sure your main achievements and strengths are in bold text so they stand out, and list where you've made a real difference in a job. Top tip number 4, no gaps. Explain any gaps in your employment, even if it was taking time to care for a child or a relative. Explain what you learned or the skills you gained in this time. Top tip number 5, make sure it's professional, and that includes your email address. Also, double check for errors, as spelling mistakes are a real no-no on a CV. So get someone else, like the Together Project, to read it through and give you feedback.